Hi everyone, welcome again. Welcome to SCG Solutions. Um, you are fine, your family is fine during this COVID-19 situation. Myself, Shukriya Malik, I work in Cognizant and also a mentor of this SCG Solutions. Let's begin with Python. So, well, I want to just warm welcome everyone for attending this session. So, why we learn Python these days? So if you think about the learning scope, Python has very easy to learn. It has very easy, simple framework. It has a very simple library so that you can easily understand. You can easily learn. You can easily build up your skill on Python. So now Python is very high productive language. Productive in the sense it increases your productivity. Like in conventional programming language like C++, if you want to write any kind of program, like if you want to write interfacing in any with any microcontroller hardware, if you want to write some programming, object-oriented programming, like web application, if you want to develop, the conventional language used to take some time. But in Python, it can be developed very easily, very fast. So that's why in these days Python is very famous. Okay. Another scope is if you know Python, then definitely you will get a high paid job other than who don't know Python. Because Python is now kind of hot cake. If you know it, you are the boss. So Python, using Python today's we can do each and everything like high speed computation, machine learning, analytics, image processing, IoT, everything, every aspect we can use Python. So today's session is on the overview of the basics of Python. If you don't know, no matter. If you know, then it is very good. Okay, so let's begin with the session. Okay, so I will request Arvik to proceed. Yeah, and one more thing, please be interactive. If you have any doubt during the session, if you're not able to understand, not able to hear, listen our voice, so please just ping us in the group chat. Any doubt, please raise your hand. Please feel free to ask question. Okay, so don't hesitate to ask question. If you don't be interactive, it will not be funful session. Okay, you can ask any type of any question, maybe a small, maybe a silly question. If you have any doubt in mind, you just feel free to ask. Okay, and one more thing, uh, after this session you will be able to download your certificate, the participation certificate. During the session at the end, we will share one feedback link. You just come to, once you give your feedback, you can able to download your certificate. Okay, okay, so let's begin. Arvik, please proceed. Thank you. Thanks, everyone.
Okay, thank you, sir. Okay, am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Okay,
If you a little bit louder, it will be fine.
okay. Wait a second. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Arvik, yes.
Okay, fine. So, good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Arvik Sai, the host of today's webinar. Welcome you from each and every core of my heart. I am very I would like to thank Mr. Supriyo Malik sir for giving me this glorious opportunity, and also thanks SK Suman, Sankhadeep and whole of my SCG team members. So without wasting your time, let's start our main topic, Python basics at first. So I will share my screen. Can you see everyone in my screen? Hello. Please reply in the chat box.
Yes, yes, we can.
Okay, thank you. So let's start Python basics. At first, we discuss the introduction to Python. What is actually Python? Python is a kind of programming language. What kind of programming language? This is a typically dynamic programming language. This is a general purpose, interpreted, interactive, object oriented, and also high level programming language. Okay, next is features of Python. What is the advantages of Python? Why we use Python language other than any of the languages kind of Java, C, C++, etc. Actually, Python language is very unique language. Why? Because it is a strong and dynamic type language. As every variable as an object is focused on reliability, productivity, good conductivity, and has a dynamic community and create a good user group. So next is who invented the Python? Python developed by Guido van Rossum in 1989, the first version of Python released. Then Van Rossum checked that the Python is a source language or not, it is susceptible for Google or Facebook or not. Yeah, this is totally based on the object oriented programming. Then he decided that this is the totally dynamically functional programming. Next is releases. Everything we people know, we use the Android APK or iOS mobile app, any app or web settings. There have more versions. Each time the versions will be updated in every month or every day or day by day. So here also the any OS or any programming language also be updated. Then first Python created at 1989, then Python 1.0 are released. Then after that Python 1.2 released in the 1994. After that Python 2.0 released in 2000. Then 2000 to 2006 between the Python 2.7 was released, and this time Python 2.7 is the most popular language in all over the world. After that in this current situation in 2008 to 2020, the Python 3.0 also released, and now the most popular Python version is Python 3.7. So next thing is how we can install the Python in the Linux based machines. I highly suggest that moreover, people please use the Ubuntu based machines, cause Ubuntu is a open source Linux system, Debian Linux system, otherwise or Red Hat system, Parliament system, both have. But here we have to see the Python installed version in the Ubuntu based machines.